Welcome back to another stunning episode of Jana Eats, and we're going to do some juicy turkey burgers. I was going to call them moist, but I hear that's a word that makes people shudder. What's up with that? Moist, supple. Anyway, back to the task at hand. So we're going to be making some turkey burgers. This is a website, a YouTube channel that is filled with gluten and dairy-free foods, and it's food for all. Even if someone in your family has a food restriction, please don't just make this for them. Make it for everybody. You'll never notice you're missing dairy or gluten in any of this food. So with that said, we're going to be doing turkey burgers. This recipe calls for a pound of turkey meat, a half of an avocado, some minced onion, and I'm probably going to put a half a minced onion in for a pound of turkey meat, and then maybe do 1 tablespoon of gluten-free tamari soy sauce. So I am going to put that in there. I'm going to mince up some onion, and I'm going to fine mince this. Now, for this recipe, because I want to do another one with the other half of that turkey meat, I know I'm only using half this stuff, but just so you know, I'm giving you the ingredient list for the full pound of meat. But right now, I know it looks weird, but I'm only doing half because I'm going to reuse the other half for the next recipe. And you're going to love that one too. So putting a little avocado into these turkey burgers really makes them nice and juicy because it gives you some fat. Ground turkey, just in and of itself, intrinsically, is pretty low fat. It needs a little moisture in there, or fat, or something to kind of keep it from drying out. So, ooh, this avocado looks good. So you'll need half of an avocado for an entire pound of ground turkey. I'm gonna do, you know what? So a tablespoon of this, a little salt, and then I'm heating my trusty cast iron pan on the stove right now because you want that pan to be brought up to temperature so you get that nice umami, that crust on your burger, which isn't that the best part? I'm going to grab some gloves. I'm going to grab gloves and throw them all over the floor. Now, this is real life, people. Real life. There's no going back, cut, redo here. Oh no. I just keep going, right? Because this is what real life is like, right? So I'm just going to mush up the avo. Oh, that's a little frozen still. Well, no one can say that this turkey isn't cold enough. So this is pretty well incorporated. I'll mush up those little pieces of avocado. So I'll be right back, and we'll make these into patties, and I'll show you, I put a little oil on my hands to get those made. I disposed of those gloves, and now I'm going to use my paws. Wish me luck. So I just wet my hands. See how nice that works? And then I'm just going to make myself some burgers, right chill. Sound like my granddaddy, right chill. Right? I know my cousins watch this. Hi, Deb. How you doing? I miss you. My southern cousins. Okay, and one more. And I make them pretty flat, and I also put a dent in the middle. And the reason why, you'll want to do that on all burgers. You'll put a little dent, see that, in the middle, because the mere physics of this, when your protein fibers heat up, they shrink. And have you ever noticed when you put a burger on a hot surface, it kind of turns into a ball? Well, that's because those protein fibers are pulling in. So if you put a little dent in the middle, you make up for the tightening, and then it just makes a level, perfect burger. How do you like that hint? Okay, we're gonna put these over here on the cast iron skillet, which has been heating. We're gonna put the burgers onto this, get off, onto this hot pan. Now, I didn't want it so hot that the burgers wouldn't cook in the middle before, you know, I don't want them raw on the inside and burnt on the outside. So I've got this on kind of a medium-high heat, and we'll just let them cook. And I'll show you a picture of them when I turn them over. I might even cover these too, just to kind of give them a head start. It kind of creates an oven effect and makes it cook inside and out. So we'll be back when I flip them. Okay, we're back, and as you notice from some of the filming, if your pan is too hot and you notice those burgers are burning before the inside gets cooked, just turn your heat down some. It just depends on the pan, your stove, you know how that goes, right? So my question is, how do you burger? Because I burger like this. I like tomato, avocado, lettuce, sometimes some onion, but I'm gonna taste this turkey burger. Let's see how juicy this burger really is. Or moist. Oh, whoops, did I say moist? Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. You know how some turkey burgers are dried out? This one isn't. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And with that little bit of tamari in there, and you don't really taste the avocado and the minced onion. Okay, make yourself some, you know what? You could do this in a meatloaf too. Oh my God, genius, right? Or balls, meal in a ball. Anyway, come back next time. Come visit me at Jana Eats. If you like what you see, please thumbs up and subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you. See you next week with another gluten and dairy-free recipe on my YouTube channel, Jana Eats. See you next week.